Guys, we're going to go over the shower table setup. So if you are responsible for setting up the shower table, we're just going to try and go through it step by step so you can see what you need to do to be ready for that big burn coming into the procedure room. So first thing you're going to need to do is come over here. You want 2 of these little devices. These are not sterile. They are don't need to be cleaned. We will just use them initially to set up the shower system. So these just come straight out of this little box. So for the most part, you're going to want 2 hoses. You're going to want to start running them initially right when you find out, because you need to run the water through these hoses for 15 minutes before you can actually use them. So first thing we're going to do actually is remove the grate from the floor. You actually just stick your fingers in, pull it straight up, move it out of the way so that people don't trip over it, because it is a little bit heavy. So these hoses just pull down from the ceiling. You're going to pull them down. And what you're going to do is you're going to put one of these on the end of each hose. If you see there's like a little black ring, that's going to push into here. You push till click. You're going to have to give it a little bit of pressure too. It doesn't just slide in, so be a little bit forceful with it and push it in. You bring this down and you're going to flip this switch. It's almost kind of like just an on-off switch, and you'll have water flow. So you can just leave that hose open and flowing for 15 minutes. I'm going to grab the second hose if I can reach it. And I'm going to do the same thing. Again, the little black lines, just push them in until they click. Turn the hose on. This one needs a little bit more. Alright, so you just let those hoses run for 15 minutes. What you're doing is clearing the line, getting fresh water in, so that when you go to use them on the patient, you've got fresh, clean water that's flowed through and not water that's been backed up in the hoses. The next part that I probably should have done before I started running the water was you do want this device here. I'm going to turn this water off real quick just so I can put this. This sets up right over top of your drain. So that when the water is coming down and any debris is coming down, it's going to kind of funnel down into your drain a little bit easier. The next thing you're going to do, we're going to set up the table. So I've already moved the table over, but you're going to have the table here. The end of the table where you want it at the foot, it actually has a hole right here, which is where your water and anything else is going to flow down into the drainage device. So make sure your table is set up in the right, oriented in the right direction. You can come over here to the supply cart. You're going to get a packet that says cart shower, and you're going to want a blue dewdrobby, whatever this thing is called. I kind of already opened one up so you can kind of see, but there are going to be, once you open up the package, there's going to be actually 2 different pieces of plastic, large pieces of plastic. There's going to be one that's a little bit bigger than the other one. That one's going to go down first onto the metal of the shower table, so I'm just going to kind of spread it out. So this covers the whole bottom of your shower table, this initial one. And then the next one I have is almost like it's going to be like an envelope. This one opens up like a bag, and I'm going to place the blue pad inside the bag. You have a second person, make it a little bit easier, but if not, it's definitely doable by yourself. table is going to look like, and you're then wondering what in the world you're going to do with this little thing right here, what you're going to do is you're going to poke it into the plastic and open it up so that any water that's coming down is going to flow through there. So make sure you actually broke through the plastic when you push it down. Not your water's going to back up and go all over the place. So we are going to pretend our hoses have been running for 15 minutes now, and we're ready for the patient to get here. You need a couple of other pieces of equipment. They're stored over here under the Pyxis machine. I'm going to get out a water filter. These are also kept in the swipe room in the back. If there's none under here, go get a water filter out of the swipe room. And then you are also going to get one of these. These do come from Central Sterile. These are cleaned after every patient use. You're going to need one setup for each hose. So in theory, if I was setting up for a patient, I would need 2 of these and 2 water filters. Alright, so I'm going to pretend that these have been running for 15 minutes. I'm going to turn the water off. I'm going to disconnect that first device I put on, so it's just a pull forcefully, maybe.